Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit a view only or comment only files of Google Sheets. So here, if you can see, I already have the documents here, but then this document has limit access to edit, so it's only in a few modes for this file, so I cannot even edit any single part of this documents. So how to edit this view files documents? You just need to go click these three small dots, and after that you can ask politely on the owner of the documents by click this request edit access, and after that your request will be sent by the system to the owner of this document. If the owner of this document give you the permissions to edit, so sooner or later you will be able to edit this document. But then if the owner didn't or doesn't give you the permission, you can also have another way, which is go back into these three small dots, and after that you just need to go share and export, and after that you just need to go click and make a copy and wait until for the next options. And now you already have the copy of these documents and you will be the owner of these files. So now whenever you want to edit, you just need to go click the specific part that you want to put on it or add the informations, and you can see now the edit bar is already available for you, and you can just start typing on this documents. So that's the way how to edit view only or comment only files on Google Sheet. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.